So what's the plan, Luis?
Chill. Wait until it's gonna hotter. And not to be windy.
True.
It's so windy right now, dude. Jesus. Like, look at this. And then
I will wait for you in the hollow I have hewn, like a darkened glass, or the devil's skies, and he is waiting fast to set his own trap too.
See how this thing doesn't wind.
And all the people say
Grab it! Grab it! Grab it!
I got it! I got it! I got it!
Oh my god! Hold on! Holy! Dude,
Holy shit.
that was insane!
That was so crazy, dude.
We're not flying this in here anymore.
Holy shit.
Dude, the gimbal, is the gimbal broken?
I don't know, dude, but like, that shit.
Oh, dude, I think it's broken.
How do you know?
Cause like when it was flying, it just kept going like sideways.